gonna open this up.
No, I mean, did you partake in the consumption of beverages?
No, I am today though.
Why?
Because I'm going to.
That might encourage me to do so.
Well, then do it.
I don't need to do that. I got stuff. I
Way
got
past
important.
the 15th.
I got shit to do tomorrow.
Anyway,
You want to do an intro, Jay, or what?
Isn't that what we're doing?
over here, camera boy.
Camera boy.
Check this shit out right here. You know where that's from? From Cope Racing.
What the hell? He put this on it too, or is that you? Did he put all that on it?
Oh, I didn't.
What the hell? What is that?
What is it? Jay's got to put his readers on.
You should run a 904.
It says from John Cope at CRT Transmissions out of Indiana. He's not a fib. And it says top secret bad tree headquarters. So
Is that what it says?
yeah.
How did it ever get here?
Let's
That's
gut
pretty
this
funny.
thing. Hopefully there's no big like glitter bomb. It is John Cope after all. They sure know how to pack a package.
Right on. Look at that. That's some heavy duty packing. Wow.
Okay. There you go, Jay.
Ooh, there we go.
Looks like we got here a Cope Racing's transmission valve body t-shirt.
Ooh.
Call dibs on that.
Nope.
What?
Order your own valve body, Jay.
I don't even have one.
Yeah, you do.
And he's
What?
got a valve body.
I got the valve. I didn't get a shirt.
What?
Yeah. I went to John Cope and all I got was his stupid valve body.
Dibs.
Oh, nice. Nope.
You can have the valve body one.
All right.
Oh my god.
Is that the glitter
What
bomb?
is it?
I'm going to back up.
All right, let's see.
Oh no.
It's
I
old.
synced it.
It's an old Schlitz. A
Ooh,
mini barrel.
still full.
Oh, what the?
Oh, he modified it.
And now you got to drink it, boy.
Bad tree.
Hey, we
Schlitz.
sell stickers, Cope. You know, you can just buy some from our webpage.
Oh, is he
to
printing
use.
them off?
That's cheating. It's not
It
full of liquid. Is
doesn't
It?
feel like liquid anymore. It feels like kind of a solid in almost a liquid state.
Is it going to be like the can of snakes when you open it?
It's a liquid.
Well, thanks, John.
That's
That'll
pretty cool.
go good for hanging stuff around.
That's nice. But that's vintage too. That's an old pull tab. You probably don't know what the hell that is.
No. Ooh.
Oh, he even threw in the reusable gasket with it too.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that.
Oh, that is sweet.
This guy's on top of it.
Wow. Yeah.
We got some
Oh, catalogs.
catalogs for the 2023-24 year.
Oh, look at that. Hanging them. Hanging them in the air.
Pretty cool.
It's got tire up.
That's neat.
Filter, bolt-in Sprague,
Mm-hmm.
made in USA.
The sticker is.
There you go, Jay. That's all you,
Nice.
man.
Filter extension, I see.
Extension.
Whoa.
Ooh, stud kit
Okay.
for the pan. Cool.
There we
I'm
go.
guessing that's what that is, right?
Sure is.
Sure. You can jam in there.
And some more Tootsie Rolls and stickers. And a Magnat.
Good.
Sweet.
Is it in yet? Yeah. Wham!
All right. Here's what I initially called to order instead of the other stuff. Camera boy.
Mm-hmm. We'll start filming like Jay here. You keep that shit off. What you got there, Blake? That looks nice. Yeah.
What happened?
Sharper than a knife, hippie.
It was unnecessary.
Damn it.
Oh. This is the 55X1 series CRT model number 414, built on 11/30 of 21.
Wow.
The story on the bottom plate is a guy didn't want first gear launch, so he sent this back in.
Ah.
Fastest trans brakes in the Torqueflite world. Bad Tree Productions. Right on it.
Custom built. Nice.
Over here it says it's a big block mother. Uh-huh. Here you go, Jay. No stickers?
Yeah, you got them
This
all.
box? What
You got them all.
I ordered that on Friday, and it's what, Tuesday?
Yeah.
It's pretty speedy.
You just can't beat that.
Oh,
No.
It's like a sore elbow.
Yeah.
You know, he's talking to the Cope Racing transmission people on the phone. One of the best experiences I've had. It almost feels like he's your friend or something.
Almost. I talked to him once.
I remember you talking to that one company, and I knew that they were going to give you some slack or whatever, but and then you did, and they did.
It was that Mancini. Because it was Mancini.
Okay.
Those
whatever.
guys can't talk to people on the phone. What's the credit card number? They run it. What was the price? We already ran it. It's out the door. Anyway, if you're looking for any Torqueflite specific parts, check out Cope Racing's transmissions out of someplace in Indiana.
Hey,
I'm sure he'll be happy to hook you up.
You've been doing a long time, too.
Ever since he had a whole head of hair.
That's cool.
Yeah, I love the one in my car. That thing's been there for a while now. 2 years, I think.
Longer.
It works every time, all the time.
Well, it's reliable.
Right. A
Like-
phrase coined by the Dodge brothers.
Like a Mopar should be. Reliable.
Yeah.
Right on.
Jeremy's gonna gut it. He wants to.
Well, I'm seeing something else.
I think it's the plastic. See, you got to modify the case for the
For the wiring
for the
that.
Transbrake.
Yeah.
So look at the bell housing at the front, the face right before the pan. There's a spot there specifically that they want you to drill a hole.
You know, then you put out what you.
Then you tap it and you smear JB weld around it and you thread it in. Oh.
You can see it.
Oh, accumulator
Like a
kit.
rock star. Nice.
Really want to get a...
They are sweet.
To attach this little deal right here.
Yeah.
Bell body with wires coming out
It's a
of it.
big block mother.
Mother...
Diablo.
Custom built for Bad Tree Productions.
Oh, you just run this out the pan.
The body of the transmission. You gotta drill a hole.
Ah.
Where's the transmission at?
I'm gonna scratch
in the
this
car.
out and
Oh.
put I'm gonna put death pumping over that.
I got some 1,000-grit sandpaper you can use.
All right.
God, this thing is... I'm serious.
I like
Isn't it beautiful?
it is.
It's like a work of art. We should just frame it and hang it on the
Well,
wall.
look at he... April 25th, 23,
Yeah.
when he finished it.
That's neat.
Golly. Yeah, man.
Pretty
Almost makes me
solid.
want to take my pan off and look at mine.
Right?
It's been so long.
Yours has the green
Yes.
plate.
Oh, is that because of the ear of the dog or what?
And yours is a billet body
Yes.
too.
Yes, yes.
Just no transbrakey.
No, mine's just your reverse pattern manual valve body, column shift style.
Right, bolt action.
When I ordered that, he's like, you want reverse pattern? I go, yeah, because I don't want to actually hit neutral when I'm shifting it
When you're doing burnouts down in Sykeston.
on my column. He's like, column shift? I'm like, yeah. He's like, okay. He's like, it'll work.
This is all strange and new to J-Bo.
Super. Oh, it's so cool.
It'll be the last valve body I ever own.
Yeah.
Guaranteed by John Cope himself.
Should be in there forever. Bolt in sprag and go through the rest of the transmissionator and
Agree.
it's really cool.
Nice.
So yeah, that's a Cope Racing's transmission box opening. You can expect to see the same if you order the same stuff.
Right. Right. You too can make this same video
Yeah.
for some amount of dollars.
You might not get the cool custom box like we got,
Well, then again,
but I'm sure you'll get a Tootsie Roll.
if you're Mopar Joe, you might get 3 Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah, isn't Cope paying out some money? He's got a bounty on just Mopar Joe.
Yeah. His head, yep.
It's a couple $100. So get yourself some parts from Cope Racing's transmissions. Get yourself a free sticker with it. Slap it on your car. Beat Just Mopar Joe down at No Name Nationals. Win some money.
Collect the bounty.
Doesn't that sound fun, Jay?
It does.
Who doesn't like free money?
Call yourself Dog the Bounty Hunter.
Alrighty.
Awesome. Congratulations, Blake.
Well, thank you.
That is really sweet.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Until next time.
Crack open a celebratory beer.
Take it easy. Watch some of the old videos. There's stuff out there with only like 200 views. Pump them up. Those are rookie numbers. Come on, heathens. Get with it.
Rookie numbers.
They are.
Is this for this too?
Yeah.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.